noma ke kuthiwe sekela leli butho leli lelithango kube kuhle kube nje yawo umsebenzi ube nonesasa sasibili njengoba sibona lapha inombolo yabantu lebatawubukela isedulu ngendlela lejabulisa kwesibili. Mlalelo umsakazo kaNgwane sike seva lapha sikhulumisana nalabo abukete ngivakasha lapha eSwatini lo nganga CEO Linda Dlamini waveta la ukuthi kunetiteshi labakhebuzelwane nato leti ngale kwelithaka eSouth Africa ezweni labomakhelwane laba tawusebenza nawo kusita kukhangisa leli la kaNgwane ukuthi bafinyelele kulamanye amazwe even eMaswati la ngale kwelithaka beve nalatinye tive letingale kwelithaka ukuthi eSwatini kwendiwani nalesiko leli lingani sesikhulumisana ke lapha nababe utatichaza lapha simthatha estation lapha eRise FM eMpumalanga azishe siyabonga babe emsakadweni kaNgwane.
Ngiyabonga igama Patric Buhatsoe ke station manager sase Rise FM eSisempumalanga eNelspruit. Size la on invitation yaga the ministry tourism ukuthi sizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then hopefully ukuthi in the future we're going to be working together the Department of Tourism Eswatini. So the reason that we're here is just to experience the culture and enjoy the hospitality of Eswatini. And I can say up to now, we are very, very happy. I'm actually very happy, comfortable that we are in good hands in Eswatini. So the plan moving ahead is to be a partner with the tourism department of Eswatini, so that everything that happens in Eswatini, the people in South Africa should be able to know, especially people in Mpumalanga, where it's not only going to be with festivities like the Marula Festival. It's not only that. We are going to be promoting tourism in Eswatini so that people in South Africa can know what they can come and experience in Eswatini. So the whole thing here is, I can call it fact-finding, but as well as right now we are actually broadcasting live. People in South Africa can hear what we're doing right now, and they have an experience of what we're experiencing.